What's going on? This is Market Williams. Welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if the tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. While many industries are still struggling from recessionary times, the one job industry experiencing explosive growth is online writing jobs. Companies need your help in creating content to attract visitors to their websites, blogs, and social media pages. Every single day, there are hundreds of quality companies, also small businesses looking to hire writers for salary jobs, freelance gigs, and easy writing services. There are more opportunities out there than they could fill, and with my link below in the description, I will show you how and where to find them. I will also leave 4 other writing courses down below that you could get certified in: romance writing, technical writing, and even writing and publishing your own nonfiction book. You could get certified in all 4, but where could you shop your ideas to get your book published or even started? Once again, the links down below. Writer Help Wanted will guide you through the process to these jobs. Writer Help Wanted frequently update listings and features job posting, which will keep you in the know when new writing jobs arise. So let me touch on some of the benefits when using this system. Writer Help Wanted gives you 34 marketing ideas when it comes to you figuring out where you should start in this field of work. It will go over pricing, invoicing when you get settled in with a client and ready to do some freelancing work. Whether you're creating content for yourself or for your client, you will have a checklist that will come in handy for self-editing, finding and writing style, and coming up with the persuasive headlines, phrases, and much more. You have these certifications under your belt, you're ready to get out there. Do you have a marketing plan? Here's the thing. Most aspiring writers focus on writing over marketing and developing business skills. As I have just mentioned, you have all these certifications in romance, technical, travel writing, and it's all in vain unless you learn how to properly market your skills. It's all in vain, once again, if you don't know how to properly market your skills. You got the talent, but let Writer Help Wanted program get the talent seen. The 5-part training module will teach you everything you need to know to earn a living from your writing. So let me break these 5 modules down a bit, starting with module number 1, the writing market. This module has plenty of ideas for everyone, whether you're just starting out or been around for a while. This module will be an eye-opener when it comes to marketing ideas and show you how to make money by being a service provider in that market and how to transform that service business into more passive income opportunities. An overview of the market and how you can make money with it, and also show you the average earnings you can expect in each market. If you need to start getting paid right away, but you're new to this is an excellent module to dig into. Finding writing jobs online, you have the option to look for freelance jobs or settling in with a company, small or large, to start work. This module will also help you explore help wanted ads without being sucked into scams and bad leads. Your professional writing business strategy will ideally approach making money, getting clients in a few different ways, and this module will show you how. Are you ready to scale up? If so, let's move on to module 3. If you establish yourself as a full-fledged writing service and have clients come to you by finding your specialty and positioning yourself the go-to writer in your niche, you will have the opportunity to choose your clients, and you only work with the projects that appeal to you. Keep in mind, doing work for clients just for the money when you first started out is cool, but you'll lose the passion for it down the line if it's not your fit. So if you're writing for fine dining and you're constantly getting writing gigs for traveling or doing company website blogs about events, you really don't want to put your all into it unless you have multiple niches you're a fan of. This module will go over getting your first clients and expanding your clients base, finding your specialty, and setting yourself apart from the competition. Avoiding common mistakes of working with clients and how to avoid these aggravating clients. Keep in mind there is even more you can do to multiply your income without having to work harder, and that's what you'll find in Module 4. The love of creating passive streams of income. There's no need to get paid only when you write for your clients. We have plenty of ideas and strategies for you to earn from your writing over and over again. This module will show you how to inexpensively outsource the writing work to others and to earn more while working less. The module will also go over 5 proven ways to turn your writing into an ongoing profit. Seems like a lot. Not with the help of this module, it will help you set up your system to run smoothly as possible. It's time for you to use more time more wisely and stop getting paid only when you write. This module will show you how to develop your persuasive writing skills and establish your authority in your niche. The course will explain by growing your confidence, you'll be perceived as the best writer in your niche. By mastering the art of persuasive writing, potential clients and customers will gladly hire and buy from you without hesitation. You have to keep in mind that success is often all around us, but most people attempt to figure out everything on their own instead of learning from mentors who already accomplished what they do. Or sometimes even worse, we try to learn from people we perceive as successful, but aren't where we want to be. Many thanks for taking some time to check this tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I'll reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Marky Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses right here floating around. Hope to catch you on the next tutorial. Many thanks. It's Marky Williams, and I'm out.